Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to link your PayPal to Whop. So my friends, as you can see, I'm dropped into this home page. You will need to go to your settings first. Okay, so after that, just click on your profile and go to payment methods. And in here, as you can see, I have no payments methods, but in here you can add PayPal as a payment method. So also guys, the thing is, as you can see, I'm prompted to just add my card. But the thing is, PayPal is only supported in select countries. So if you're outside of the support basically for PayPal on Whop, you will not be able to link it. As you can see, in my case, the button for PayPal is missing entirely. So make sure to understand and realize that you will not be able to do this in every single country, and only select countries are supported. So if you see the button, it's available. If it's not visible anywhere, I mean the linking of PayPal to your as your payments method, in the payments methods tab in your settings, that means that it's not available for you. But in general, you just link your PayPal in here, enter your details, or log in with your PayPal account through the PayPal website, and through that way you connect it to your Whop, and it will appear here in your payment methods. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helps you. This is how you link your PayPal. Very easy if your country is supported. Like the video and subscribe. See you very soon.